Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Farid Ananta with the student number of 122.111.233.020. And today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to do page break and also section break and also page numbering as well. So yeah, for those who are advanced on Microsoft Word, I'm pretty sure that you don't actually have a problem with that kind of stuff because you're already advanced user. But for those who barely know about this feature, then this is going to be tricky, something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to do this in the form of like a case study, something like that, where I need to solve these things right here. So actually, there's this guide here that I need to follow. So I need to actually implement them with with the page break, section break, and also the number. Okay, let's just get started with this. So let me just go ahead and enable editing, and then what do I need to do? So I need to use page breaks here and also change the orientation for the thing. Okay, so this is actually the combination of page breaks and the section break. Okay, let me just show you for the layout. There's going to be the breaks here, and there are so many options here, but the ones that we are going to focus on is the page and the next page. All right, so for the page break, okay, page break is to divide the page. Okay, so it's to mark the end of the page. Okay, for example, let's just do the case study here. So let's say I'm going to mark this as the end of the page. Put that there, and then it's just going to divide the page like that. The thing is that if you were to add some kind of like a paragraph here, for example, I'm going to randomize things up like that, and it's not going to be on the the next page and stuff like that. The text here, the additional text won't be on the next page, and that's actually the thing about the page break and stuff like that. Okay, so we got that. Let me just make it neat, and we're just going to implement this. Okay, so to make this faster, you can just use Control Enter, and it will automatically add the page break. Okay, something like that. Okay, we're just going to make sure that it's already there. Okay, let me just make sure that everything is in order according to the guide. And we're going to do something with the image as well. And that's where we're going to tune the the section break. That, and then that's the end. Okay, so the next one is to use to customize the page orientation for the image. So in this case, I'm going to say, I'm going to add new page right there. I mean, page break there. And also page break this to actually have this dedication page for the image right there. Okay, let me just fix that. There you go. And also this thing, going to page break that, and also that. All right, so the pages, I mean the images have their own dedication pages. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to use the section break. Okay, so for the section break, okay, just going to create a section. All right, you're just going to create a section. That's actually the simplest explanation. Just going to create a section. Okay, so let's try to page next page break here, and also I'm going to add the page break for this one. Okay, all right, and I'm going to do the same with the other one, which is this one right here. I'm not sure if it's going to be according to the guide or something, but we're just going to do that. Whatever I can, so like that, yeah. All right, so next page that. Let me just remove that. So the thing is that it creates how many? Okay, that's something. Okay, let me just. I don't know if it's going to undo the thing or something, but wow. Okay. Oh, this is new. Supposed to be section 5. Oh, wait, let me just to fix that. Let me just do that. What the heck? Okay, that's something. And then I messed up the thing in it. Well, that's unexpected, in it. All right, I'll just implement that, and we're just going to pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so the thing is that it will differentiate the section. For example, if I were to go to header and footer right there, there's going to be the section one right there. The section part right there, section 2, section 3, This one also section 3. The thing is that if you apply the section, the thing is that if you do something on that section, for example, if I were to um, change the orientation, like for example, like this one, go to layout and orientation, landscape, it will be applied only for this section, okay? And let me just do the same thing for the Android image right here, orientation right there. Because if you don't apply the section, then it will be applied to the rest of the document, okay? So that's case 1 done, though there were some problems on the process, okay? So let's go to case number 2. Okay, so for the case number 2, I need to create section breaks, and also I need to implement the page numberings according to the sections respectively. So let's just get started with it, shall we? So I'm just going to do the section break right away. I know that last time I used the normal page break instead of the section break for the reason. So let me just implement them right away like that. Okay, so it will be divided to sections. All right, indeed. All right, so for the page numbering, this case, you need to pay attention to certain things. Yeah. So for the page, for the page numbering, it's going to be implemented on the header and footer. Yeah. So let me just try to implement the page numbering. So I need to have the one format. Okay, the one on top in the middle. It's A. Actually, wait. Let me just to make it easier. You can just kind of like uh, use the format page number first before you implement them. In this case, I need A, and I need to implement the page numbering, and then there you go. It's been implemented. All right, so there's this thing that you need to pay attention to. As you can see, there's this same as previous right here, same as previous. So that happens because of this thing right here, link to previous, it's on. So the thing is that if you have this enabled, it will automatically link to the numberings that you have on your previous page. So if you don't want that, you just simply disable it and make sure that you implement it to the footer as well, because I'm going to implement the footer as well. So yeah, let me just okay. So it will be implemented for the section. Okay, just remember that the section will implement thing based on the section and stuff like that. Okay, so let me disable that and disable this as well. And now we're ready to add some numbers. Okay, right. Let me remove that, and then I need to implement the bottom one, normal numbering, and then in the middle. Okay, sure. Let me insert page number, format page number. Let's start at 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. All right. Let me just try this again. There you go. Okay, good. All right. This is going to be a long video. I'm pretty sure of it. It's me experimenting with this one. Come on. Anyway, hold up. Start at 1. Zanka. Okay, and that's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then for this one, I need to use 1 right on the top left. Right, so let me just actually, should I? Nah, I can just format it. Yeah, I can, right? Start at 1. Um, 1 right there. And how do I apply it to top page? Yeah, top page number 1. Right there. There you go. And then for the references, it's okay. It's Roman numerals. All right, hold up. Let me change the. I need to cut this up, man. I need to cut this up. Hmm. And there you go. It's been implemented like that. Let me just zoom out a little. And as you can see, that's A, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I mean 1 and 2. There we go. It's been implemented and case 2 is done. Now, case number 3, and this is this seems complex, but I just need to uh, implement the page numbers according to the guide here. So let's just do that, shall we? So I'm pretty sure that I just need to basically say make some page breaks, no, session breaks. So let me just do that. Enable editing, and let me just do that. Alright, so let's implement these section breaks right away. So for this, I need next page right there, and then next page again right here, and then for the next generation, is it? The next generation, this one? Yeah, this one, next page, and then next page again on the next page. Yeah, right here. I don't know if it's correct or not, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Wait, what? Something isn't right. Alright, next page there, bruh. And then next page right over here too. Section breaks here as well. Is it all? Is it all? How many sections do I need to make? Section 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. 7. Alright. Right, so let's implement those things, shall we? So let me start to the numbering and stuff. But I need to again make sure that it's the link to previous has been disabled. Alright, so all of the link to previous have been disabled. Alright, so I just need to implement the numbering as well. So let's just begin with that, shall we? There's no page number 6, by the way. So let's. There's no page number 6. Okay, there's no page number 6, man. Whatever. let's. Let's. That's 6 and then 7. There's no 6, man. There's no page 6 for whatever reason. Did I do something? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something wrong, mate? I think I did, but I didn't realize that. But I'm just going to implement the last one, which is uh the top, yeah, top right, top right, top right. There you go, and 7 right there, and that's it, man. And I lost a page here in this case right here. Alright, so that's it for this video. This is not actually a tutorial in a sense. This is just a showcase of me checking things out, trying out some features that I barely touched before. So yeah, even though there were some problems along the way, I do have a question about the different first page here. The different first page, I don't exactly know what it's used for apart from making the page number 4, the first page of the section to disappear. So I don't exactly know the purpose of this. So perhaps the reviewer of this video would actually give me some explanation later on. Anyway, so that's it for the video, and thank you so much for watching this long video. And yeah, goodbye then. See you next time if there's another assignment, mate.